All hands on deck, mastering an idiom of teamwork. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today we're exploring a nautical phrase that's made its way into common professional language. This phrase embodies teamwork, collaboration, and urgency. Let's dive into the idiomatic expression, all hands on deck. So, what does all hands on deck mean? Originating from seafaring jargon, this phrase was used when a ship was in danger, and every crew member was needed on the ship deck to handle the crisis. In a modern, professional context, all hands on deck is used when an organization or team faces a challenging task or situation that requires everyone's immediate attention and effort. Let's look at how this idiom might be used in a professional setting. 1. With the product launch in 2 days, it's all hands on deck to ensure everything goes smoothly. 2. When the server crashed, it was all hands on deck in the IT department. 3. To meet the fundraising goal, the charity needs all hands on deck. These examples illustrate how the phrase is used to emphasize the need for everyone's effort and collaboration in a challenging situation. While all hands on deck can effectively convey urgency and the need for collective effort, remember that its usage should be limited to serious situations or times of crisis. Overusing the phrase can make it lose its impact and potentially cause confusion or anxiety within your team. So there you have it. The next time your team faces a challenging situation, you might consider rallying them with the idiom, all hands on deck. As with all idiomatic expressions, understanding and using them in the correct context can greatly enhance your English proficiency and communication skills. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.